nuti jaan haaf manjannaani nama alaabaa qabsoo Oromoo alaabaa Ameerikaa qixxee mana isaatii qabu gaafa Jawaar dhufaa jira jedhuuni state patrol itti baasee asumatti hambisa malee hin deebi'u gara biyyaa nama jechaa ture Senator Jaan Haafman.
Jiratu! Welcome home, Jawar. Welcome home! Doing the resolution about the human rights violations that was happening in Ethiopia, right? And the children that were college students who were killed because they were protesting. Doing what we take for granted in Minnesota, the ability to protest about anything we want, right? The resolutions that drove the way to saying it's not okay, right? And then the resolutions to say it's not okay to hold you in Bikali prison without any due process rights. That's not okay. Your child, Oromo, held him in my arms. He was the youngest door knocker on a political. You talk about civic engagement. He was the youngest civic engaged child in the state of Minnesota. And I never forgot that. Matter of fact, I never forgot this, ladies and gentlemen. Never forgot this. In 2014, when this was given to me, it never has left my office, and it's never left my mind. And knowing that we sit here fighting for our human rights because we want to have the freedom to be able to express what our rights are. That's something that you two have given light, not only to the nation back home, but to your home right here in Minnesota. All these folks here are friends because of the fact what you're doing and what you've done. And you know, I'm going to tell you this again, it really does feel good to say welcome home. There was a whole group that just was scared and concerned, who love you, who care about you. I love you, I care about you, and I'm glad you're home. And I'm not letting you go. All right, I'm not being funny, but that's okay.